the shadow man possess you? Is your dream still sweet and real? Pain will always follow pleasure. That's how nature cuts her deal. Every moment precious. It was time alone. It's still first it's heaven, then it's hell. To allow all that we feel. I'm going down to the shadowlands, yeah, shadowlands. What you can't cure, you must endure in these shadowlands. Climbing and disowning, you made your acquisitions. Trading love for the masquerade, just to realize position. But your mouth in someone else's pocket, so you'd still need someone to blame. You turn your victim over, but lay bare your face and name. You vanquish memories in your powerless for fame. Brother Vanquil, he'll be calling. Yeah, it's Halloween again. I may be leaning on his shoulder in your killing fields of shame. And I return from these shadowlands, yeah, yeah, shadowlands. What if we don't cure must be endured in these shadowlands. Yeah, yeah, shadowlands, shadowlands. Wherever fates may hide us from the dark seas of our dreams, I pray you yet may find us if you share these final scenes. By God's grace, may